Hey, welcome to LoveLiveSave. Are you tired of spending a fortune on cleaning products, but you want to keep your home sparkling clean without breaking the bank? Well, you're in luck. In today's video, I've put together 10 really easy to do and awesome couponing deals that you can do this Saturday, February 25th at Dollar General. Don't forget to hit the like button to support my channel and to show your love of couponing. And if you're new here, welcome. Make sure you hit the subscribe button so you never miss out on any of my future couponing content. For today's question, I want to know, what is your favorite form of couponing? Do you prefer paper or digitals, and why? I know I used to start off with paper couponing, and I'm almost exclusively digital couponing only now. So I'm really interested to hear what your response is. Leave a comment down below, and I am going to pull a name this Thursday at 8 p.m. to do a drawing where the winner will receive a set of my couponing planner pages just for leaving a comment down below. So let's get started with the deal, shall we? For our first cleaning supplies deal, grab 1 pack of Febreze Unstoppable Small Spaces, 3 bags of finished Quantum dishwasher tablets, the 12 count packs, and 1 pack of Skintimate razors. After all coupons, and of course that includes the 5 off of 25 Saturday coupon, you gotta make sure you clip that one. Our total out of pocket comes all the way down to just $9.60 plus tax. That makes for a total savings of $16. I am so excited. Like, this is by far the one deal this week that I'm the most excited about, I think. I know I say that all the time, but I am so excited to stock up on my dishwasher tablets this week. For our second cleaning supplies deal, grab 2 bottles of Lysol laundry sanitizer, 1 bottle of microban spray, and 1 bottle of Nivea lotion. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $13.25 plus tax, so that's a total savings of $13. Our third cleaning supplies deal is going to get your house smelling amazing for super, super cheap. Grab 2 Airwick Essential Mist refills, 1 Airwick Essential Mist starter kit, 1 Febreze plug-in, and 1 Febreze Unstoppable Small Spaces. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes all the way down to just $10.45 plus tax. That makes for a total savings of $21.80. I don't honestly even know what to say here because I am so excited. We are saving over twice what we're spending out of pocket. These are the kind of couponing deals that just make my heart super happy. Now, I don't know about you, but whenever I'm deep cleaning my house, I almost always am almost out of paper towels. So for our fourth cleaning supplies deal, we're going to stock up on some. Grab 1 box of Swiffer dry refills, 1 can of microban spray, 1 6-count pack of Sparkle paper towels, and 2 packs of the 2-count Colgate toothpaste. After all coupons, and in this situation, our $3 instant savings for Colgate. You don't have to clip that one, by the way. It just comes off instantly at the register. Our total out of pocket comes all the way down to just $11.20 plus tax. So that's a total savings of $17. When I woke up on Sunday and discovered that we had a second Airwick BOGO coupon, I could not wait to write this deal. So for our fifth cleaning supplies deal, grab 4 Airwick Essential Mist refills. Yeah, I said that, 4. And then 1 Airwick Essential Mist starter kit and 1 Febreze plug-in. Our before coupon total is $41.25 worth of retail. But that is why we coupon, right? So after all coupons, our total out of pocket comes all the way down to just $14.95 plus tax. Yeah, that makes a total savings of $26.30. I'm super proud of this deal. I'm just so excited. I can almost smell this couponing deal through the screen right now. If you're just getting started with couponing and you're a little nervous to go to the store, I highly recommend trying this deal because it is super beginner friendly. So for our 6th cleaning supply deal, grab 2 packs of the 3-count Febreze plug-in refills. Our after coupon total comes down to just $16 plus tax, so that makes for a total savings of $11. Not bad, super easy to do. For our 7th cleaning supplies deal, grab 2 bottles of finished jet dry cleaner, 1 Dawn Power Wash, 1 6-count pack of Sparkle paper towels, and 1 Febreze Unstoppable Small Spaces. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $12.85 plus tax, so that makes for a total savings of $13. Not bad. If you're a fan of OxyClean but you don't love the price, I know I don't, I highly recommend trying out the True Living brand OxyClean. It's the same size container and it's only $5 and it packs the same wallop. This is pretty much the only brand I buy now. I bought it on a whim months ago when I was trying to clean my husband's tennis shoes, and they work just as good. So I love working it into my couponing deals. So for this deal, our 8th couponing deal, grab 1 tub of the True Living Oxy Cleaner, 1 bottle of Lysol laundry sanitizer, 1 bottle of Gain fabric softener, and 1 pack of Skintimate razors. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $14.50 plus tax. That makes for a total savings of $12.50 for this deal. For our 9th cleaning supplies deal, grab 1 box of Swiffer dry refills, 1 of the larger size bottles of Microban spray, 1 6-count pack of Sparkle paper towels, a bottle of Nivea lotion, and 1 Febreze plug-in. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $9.90 plus tax. So that's a total savings of $16.30. That's an awesome deal for so many awesome products. For our 10th cleaning supplies deal, grab 1 bottle of Finish Jet Dry Cleaner, 1 bag of Finish Quantum Dishwasher Tablets, a 12-count pack, a Airwick Essential Mist Starter Kit, and 1 box of Swiffer Dry Refills. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $9.90 plus tax. So that's a total savings of $16.50. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope it helps you to build your awesome stockpiles this week and save a bunch of money in the process. If you haven't already subscribed here to my YouTube channel, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button. It goes a long way to help support my channel so that I can continue posting deals for you every week to save a lot of money. Also, while you're there, click on the notification bell as well and turn on all notifications. That way, when I post any of my future couponing content, you'll be one of the first people to receive a notification and you won't miss out. And I will see you in the next video.